as a group, we're working on improved outcome for patients whose lung cancer have EGFR mutation. We're working on different fronts to enhance our current efficacy. The idea of combining EGFR inhibitor with a VEGF inhibitor, either antibody or other small molecule inhibitor, really the idea come from preclinical study. In our recent review published in earlier this year in Journal of Thoracic Oncology, we look at the cell culture-based information where we find that when the cell line has the EGFR inhibition, the cells upregulate VEGF signal to compensate. In clinic, we also observe that to be a resistant mechanism to EGFR inhibition monotherapy. That's why I think the field has been combining EGFR and VEGF, so suppressing both pathways so that the duration of response can be longer. We know this approach definitely works when we combine the first generation EGFR TKI with a VEGF inhibition. For example, in the big study that's published in 2020, the Relay study combined erlotinib with ramucirumab, we saw a very nice progression-free survival benefit of the combination for EGFR patients. Now, I think we're moving to year 2021, where in the US and a lot of countries, we use osimertinib, a newer third-generation EGFR TKI for our frontline treatment. There's one big trial ongoing led by me, together with a lot of other investigators in the US, evaluating if osimertinib in combination with ramucirumab will also render the same benefit to EGFR patients. Similarly, there is another very, very similar effort going on in Japan. So we're hoping in the next year or two, we'll start to read out those big trials results and see if the double blockade will benefit patients compared to osimertinib single therapy.